I'm excited to share with you our July subscription box here at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. We are calling this Box of Popsicles, and it's the perfect summery cardstock kit for all of the projects you have going on this summer. Let me show you exactly what's included in the kit. First of all, we have this beautiful Encore color palette that is the inspiration for the entire kit. The colors included this month are Lemon Twist, Chartreuse, Rose Topaz, Goldfish, and Swimming Pool. Some bright, fun colors. And then we've added in a mix of specialty papers to help complete this kit. We've got Coordinations Couture. This is a glitter infused cardstock is what I call it. It's got glitter on the finish. Astro Bright Stardust White. This has some really cool color flecks in it, so it's not just a white sheet of cardstock. Then we have Sandable Coordinations Picket Fence. Then we have Miri Silver Holographic. This kind of flows and catches the light. Beautiful. We have Confetti Holographic. And then we have our Sequin Glitter cardstock, and this is a silver holographic as well. And you can see that the glitter is actual sequins, so really a cool effect. Then we have 2 sheets of Glitter Luxe glitter cardstock. This is Oasis, and this is Neon Orange. We have a Basil Dotted Swiss. This has an embossed dot finish in Ballet, pretty pink. We have 2 sheets of Echo Park, really basics, a pink and an orange. And then we have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of our Encore Vellum in Sunflower. This is a bright, pretty yellow. So much fun. So that is what is included in the main kit. And then we also have 4 additional sheets of mystery cardstock, 12 by 12 size, that you'll be getting with your kit. Now this is a mystery. You won't know what it is till it arrives on your doorstep. It'll be a fun surprise, and it coordinates beautifully with the kit. And this month for our bonus project, we're going to be making shaped popsicle cards. These are little shaped cards in all kinds of delicious flavors. We're going to be using the kit to customize them, and the files include more than what you see here. There's just a ton of designs to choose from, so you can make your whole own popsicle party in whatever colors, whatever flavors you want. This is this month's bonus project, and it's a super fun one. We are excited to see what you'll make with this kit, whether you try our project or make something else totally your own. This is perfectly coordinated for you, and you'll just be able to take it out and start creating. There's a limited number of these available, so be sure and grab it quick if you want one.